This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Primiwal E2 Tablet is specifically formulated for postmenopausal women. It helps alleviate menopausal symptoms and supports bone health. Indications and uses. This medication is indicated for use in postmenopausal women who are experiencing symptoms related to menopause, providing relief from common issues such as hot flashes, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. Additionally, it assists in managing osteoporosis, a condition that can result in weakened bones and increased risk of fractures, which may occur in some women after menopause. It is essential to utilize this treatment only under the supervision of a healthcare professional to ensure safety and effectiveness. How it works. The tablet works by replacing the natural estradiol hormone in the body, which helps maintain hormonal balance and alleviates vasomotor symptoms commonly associated with menopause. Directions for use. Take the tablet as prescribed by your physician. It should be swallowed whole with a glass of water and must not be crushed or chewed. The healthcare provider will determine the appropriate dosage and duration based on individual health factors, including age and body weight. It is important to adhere to the prescribed regimen for optimal results. Possible side effects. Possible side effects may include headaches, nausea, leg cramps, abdominal pain, unscheduled bleeding, and feelings of weakness. Consult your healthcare provider if any symptoms worsen. Precautions and warnings. Before using this medication, it is crucial to disclose any pre-existing health conditions to your doctor. Avoid using this treatment if you have a history of breast or endometrial cancer, thrombosis, liver disease, or unusual vaginal bleeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should refrain from using this medication. Regular consultations with your healthcare provider are recommended to monitor health and assess any risks. FAQs. 1. What is Primiwal E2 Tablet used for? It is used to relieve menopausal symptoms in postmenopausal women and to prevent osteoporosis. 2. What are the common side effects? Common side effects include headache, nausea, and abdominal pain. 3. How should it be taken? It should be taken as advised by a physician, swallowed whole with water. 4. What happens if I take too much? If an overdose occurs, consult a doctor immediately. Symptoms may include nausea and dizziness. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Your feedback is appreciated.